My name is Lisa Dad, and I am a corporate sales and marketing manager turned transformational business owner and the author of the book, Finding Fabulous, Paving the Path Between Paycheck and Passion. It's been almost 10 years now since I made the courageous decision to walk away from a successful corporate career in search of more meaning, more purpose, and mostly even more fun. It's kind of why I named it Finding Fabulous. I had achieved a lot of the ideas of success that were taught in society. I owned a home and I had the stock options and the six-figure salary. I had a career advancement in front of me. But I had this deep sense that there was more to life. I wasn't really happy. And so I went out and decided to find what would feel more fabulous to me. I wrote this book mainly because as I was going through that journey, I started meeting all sorts of amazing, fabulous people. In fact, I would often call them everyday average Joes because they were just like you and me. There was a single mom of 5 kids and a father. I had a couple. I had an 85-year-old woman. There were so many varied ages and demographics I kept meeting who had also left corporate or professional careers behind in search of more purpose and more passion. And I wanted to write the book because I wanted to let the world know that this was possible. I didn't realize people did this until I started meeting these individuals. So I first wanted to let people know it was possible. Then I wanted to show real life examples, not only to show what was possible, but also to show the journey, the types of things that people would run into, the limiting beliefs, the barriers, the struggles, and the challenges, so that I could also show that there was a path to success on the other side. Throughout the process, I also learned that the idea of success, or the definition of success, is really up to us. We get to decide that for ourselves, and in fact, that's the only way we can actually truly find it. So that's what the book is all about, and I invite you to explore if you're at this place in your life where you're inquiring about what's next, or is this it? Is this enough? You're wondering what your purpose is, or looking to leave a legacy behind. Hopefully the stories in this book will inspire you to go on your own journey, maybe provide you a little bit of tools to help you along the way. That's why I called it Paving the Path. We make it a little bit smoother for you than it was for me. I hope that you enjoy the book. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas on it. If you'd like to get a hold of me and ask me further questions, you can look me up on LinkedIn. It's Lisa Dad, it's D-A-D-D, or you can go to my website at lisadad.com. I hope you enjoy.